This is work member. My name is Nofra Sabina binti Rosli, metric number DI220044. And my friends Aida Madiha binti Ali, metric number DI220014. And then Ahmad Zahmi bin Ahmad, metric number DI220078. The last one, Intan Nuradatul Shafika binti Abdul Hakim, metric number DI220084. So, second one is introduction.
My name is Aida Madiha. I will present about introduction. Kebabu Internet Service is a reputable telecommunication company that provides internet service to the diverse range of a customer. As an internet service provider, Kebabu aims to offer reliable and affordable connectivity option to meet the varying needs to individual and household. To ensure transparency and accuracy in billing, Kebabu Internet Service has implemented a comprehensive billing system. Client profile. Example 1 for client profile is number of weekday minutes used 400, number of nights minutes used 200, number of weekend minutes used 1500. And this client is moderate internet user who primarily use the internet during weekday for work and study related activities. They also utilize the internet during night and weekend for leisure and personal use, with a usage below and allocate weekday minutes, and they do not incur any additional charge. And example 2 for client profile is number of weekday 800 and number night minutes used 300, number of weekend minutes used 400. This client has higher internet usage compared to the allocated weekdays minutes. They exceed the limit and resulting in additional charge for extra weekday minutes. And example 3 for client profile is number of weekday minutes used 500 and number of night minutes used 100 minutes and number of weekend minutes used 800. And this client primarily use the internet during weekday and weekend. They take advantage of a free night and weekend minutes, resulting in lower charge for their internet usage. That's all. Next.
Okay, identify the problem. One, Kebabu Internet Service offer customers 800 weekday minutes for a flat rate of 59 and 99. Addition weekday minutes beyond the allotted 600 minute cost 20 cents each. Night minute 8 until 7 a.m. and weekend minutes Saturday to Sunday are free. For the last is there is service of tax SST of 6% on our charge. Next, okay, this is for IPO input process output. Firstly, we start with input, number of weekday minutes used, number of night minutes used, number of weekend minute used. Okay, for the process is minute average of minute cost will tax bill will be minus with weekday minutes plus with night minutes and weekend minutes. For SST cost is tax bill plus with week minutes. Total bill is tax bill plus with cost. For the output, will display tax bill, average minute cost before tax, and SST cost, and lastly total bill. Okay, next. Okay, this is for pseudocode. Basically we start with the input that I used in IPO before. So then in this pseudocode we will use if else for the condition with weekday minutes is less weekday limit and compute tax bill equal to 39 and 99. else compute extra weekday minutes. This is all the process that I use in IPO before. So the output will print bill information, tax bill, average minute cost, SSD cost, and total bill. Okay, next. Okay, this is the flow chart. This is same with the pseudocode that we have input, and the condition is weekday minutes is less equal than weekday limits. So if valid, then it will compute all the process and print the output. If false, they will return to the input.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Zamir bin Ahmad. So for implementation and results, the inputs which are number of weekdays minutes used, number of night minutes used, and number of weekend minutes used, the program can calculate and output usage details, total cost, and taxes charged to the client. So when the program is run, it gives an output of this nature, which displays all the information for the client and company to review. So moving on to the conclusion. In conclusion, the program can better calculate and keep track of total internet bills across all clients. Secondly, more transparency between Kebabu internet services and customers, as clients can see what they are being charged for. Thirdly, the program ensures that the client is billed the correct amount every time, as there is no human error. Thank you. That is all.
My name is Nofara Sabrina. So I will explain about coding and the output. First of all, is for the first line is include stdio.h, which means this line includes the standards input-output library, the file which provide functions for reading input and writing output. For the define for line 3 until line 7, define weekday rate until define weekend minutes. As this line define constant using the preprocessor directive. Define the value define here are used later in the codes to calculate the bill. For example, weekday rates represent the rates for each additional weekday minute beyond the weekday limit, and the weekday limit represent the maximum number of weekday minutes before the additional rate applies. For the line 9 is in main. This is the main function which serve as the entry point of the program. For the line 10, in weekday minutes, night minutes, weekend minutes, and line 11, double pre-tax bill, average minute cost, SSD cost, and total bill. Explain this line declares several variable used in the program. Weekday night minutes and weekend minutes are integers that store the user's input for the corresponding minutes. Pre-tax bill, average minute cost, SSD cost, and total bill are double that store the calculate billing information. For the line 14, 15, 17, and 18, 20 and 21 is printf and scanf. Same like this line prompts the user to enter number of weekday minutes and so on. And scanf also call back the placeholder. For the line 24, the block of code calculates the pre-tax bill based on the number of weekday minutes entered by the user. If the weekday minute is less than or equal to the weekday limits, the pre-tax bill is set to a fixed value of 39.99. Otherwise, the additional minutes beyond the limit are calculated, and the pre-tax is set to 39.99 plus the additional minutes multiplied by the weekday rates. For the formula, average for line 31, average minute cost equal to pre-tax bill divided by weekday minutes plus night minutes and plus weekend minutes. This line calculate the sales and service tax SST cost by adding the pre-tax bill and the weekend minutes value, and then multiply the sum by 0.06, representing 6% tax rates given. So the total bill for line 37, total bill equal to pre-tax bill plus SST cost. This line this line calculates the total bill adding the bill and the SST cost, and the rest print F from line 40 until line 49. Explain that this line print the usage detail entered by the user and the calculate billing information to the console. The value are format using the printf function to display them with the appropriate label and precision. And the last one is return 0. So I will show the output. So I will enter with the form enter the number of weekday minutes. 60. Like minutes 70. 20. So this is the result. So usage detail weekday minutes is 60, night minutes 70 minutes, weekend minutes 20 minutes. Billing information, pre-tax bill will display RM 39 ringgit 99 cent. Average cost before tax is RM 27 cent, and ST cost RM 2 ringgit 40 cent, and the total bill RM 42 ringgit 39 cent. This is the final result. So that's all from our team. Thank you and have a nice day.